living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Yeah, Darren is already here. Say
Hello,
hi, Darren.
Hello everyone, you should be here. Give us some other fun.
I thought you go to the pool. You will swim.
My beautiful Valentine family.
To do the opening prayer. Release. Balikbayan Amerikano Hinao. Please welcome Mr. Darren Howard. Thank you.
Go, Darren.
That actually scared me. Thank you everybody for showing up. I appreciate it. We've been planning this for a while, and I'm glad everybody that's here to be here. I hope everybody's gonna have a good time. Enjoy yourselves. Lots of food. Eat, eat, eat. There's drinks in the fridge. There's water. There's sodas. No Red Horse. Sorry. But for everybody that showed up again, I really appreciate it. It was easier for me to do this and have everybody come to one place than me to go to 20 different places. It would just get too expensive for me. So I appreciate the time and the expenses that you guys had to use to get here. So again, I appreciate it. Each and every one of you. So maraming salamat.
Swimming, mag-ano sila na, lagyan tubig, water gun, ayan. Ba, hindi mo tinanggal yung price, andyan pa. Sabihin,
What you gonna say? Thank you po. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hindi na dito si Chai.
Thank you, Darren. Wow.
Huwag ganon. Wow. Hi, Lady and Megan.
parang inakibangan yung unboxing ng ano lechon. Lechon unboxing.
Wow.
Welcome sa meet and greet. But don't be scared. Oh my goodness. Deep, deep. More. And then
Hoy!
Hoy.
More deep.
and then you're gonna cut the center. Gonna cut the center and then you will be the first person who will taste the balat. Balat is the steak.
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
First skin. Harap.
Yeah, that's good. I like it.
Okay guys, let's eat.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hello, everyone. You should be here. Oi.
Where we are, Darren, where we are.
I don't know. We're here.
Are we here?